The Peter Andrews Outdoor Living Collections. Relax comfortably in your backyard oasis while dining or lounging with friends and family. Fabrics are waterproof and easy to clean and designed to fit any space, like this Shelter Island sectional, now $9.99. Gather round the fire pit with swivel rockers. This 13-foot cantilever has luxe lighting in every rib from $17.99. Style, comfort, value, durability. Peter Andrews.